Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial about how to use limit orders on Perpetual Protocol. So what are limit orders? Limit orders allow you to buy or sell at a specified price, known as the limit price. Once the market price of the asset reaches the limit price, the order will be executed automatically at this price or better. So for buy limit orders, it allows you to enter a limit price below the current market price, so you can buy it on a dip. For sell limit orders, you can enter a limit price above the current market price, so you can fade an upward movement. This is different to a market order, which only lets you buy or sell immediately at the best available price. So while market orders prioritize time, limit orders prioritize price. If you want to learn more about limit orders, check out our Help Center article linked in the description below. Now let's take a look at how you can use limit orders on Perp v2. The first step is a one-off approval, allowing Limit Order Book to open positions for you, which can be done by clicking on the Approve Limit Order button. The limit order feature will then be activated after confirming the transaction in your wallet. Once limit orders have been activated, you'll be able to change the order type to limit, and you can input a custom price into the price field, which is the limit price at which your order will be filled. For limit orders, the limit price guarantees you'll get filled at that price or better. Then enter the position size in terms of BTC or USD. Note that limit orders have a minimum position requirement of $100. Limit orders also come with different expiry options. After you've chosen your desired expiry, click on Confirm Limit Order and sign the transaction with your wallet. Note that to submit limit orders, you do not need to pay any gas fees or trading fees. Until the limit order is filled, it will be displayed in the Limit Orders tab and on the Market sidebar. Once the mark price reaches your specified limit price, the order will be executed, at which point you'll be charged the trading fee. Note that there are no gas costs for limit order executions, which are covered by Perp. So in this example, once the index price reaches $19,400 or below, it will automatically trigger an order to enter a long position in Bitcoin. If you want to cancel a limit order before it's been filled, then navigate to the Limit Orders tab and click on Cancel. Cancellation of limit orders are done on chain, so unlike submitting limit orders, cancelling them carries a gas fee. Once you click cancel, confirm the transaction in your wallet and your limit order will be removed. While limit orders can be used to enter positions at a better price point, the reduce only option allows you to exit positions automatically without having to use a market order. Note that this option is only available when you have an active position. For example, if you're long, then the reduce only option is available for short positions and vice versa. So what the reduce only option does is ensure that the limit order only reduces the size of an existing position. For example, if you're in a long position and you want to submit a limit order to close out the position at a profit, then you can use the reduce only option to make sure that the order only ever reduces the size of your existing position. If you use the standard limit order instead and close your position before it fills, then you'd have an unexpected short position once the limit price is reached. Using the reduce only option avoids this scenario. The Reduce Only column in the Limit Order tab shows a yes or no, depending on whether you've selected this option. Once a limit order has been filled, it will be displayed in the Fills tab and in your transaction history. And that's all for this tutorial. Traders can use the limit order feature to benefit from better execution, improved risk management, and automate more advanced strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto and trading related content. Happy trading, creating, and market making.